Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you what is the best way how we can get an internet when you're going to travel to Delhi, and what I think is the best way. So the first one is you're going to find the eSIM providers like Maya Mobile, and I think that's much better comparing to trying to find a store where you're going to buy a SIM card. And then in a search here I'm going to write Delhi search, or I'm just going to write here India eSIM. And here you're gonna have options of 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. It depends for how long you're gonna be in India. And here you're gonna have the how much gigabytes you're gonna get. So 10 gigabyte, 5 gigabyte, 20 gigabytes. So let's say that we're gonna go for 10 gigabytes in India for 15 days. I would click activate now. And if you're gonna use the link down below in the description, you're gonna get also discount 10%. So that's like a good benefit for you. And what will happen is that you can also turn on the auto recharge, the starting date where you want to start your data. And then what will happen is that you will get a QR code to your email. What you have to do is to scan the QR code and activate the eSIM. I made a full tutorial on how you can activate it. You're going to find a link down below in the description. Also, they got good guides with Maya Mobile. And then it's super simple. Another way how we can do it is to use Airalo, where again I'm going to write Delhi, or I'm just going to write here India. Okay, and here you can have 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, 5, 10 gigabytes. Let's say that you want to get 10 gigabytes for 30 days. Buy now. And again, you can have discount down below in the description. Buy now. And then you're gonna just apply the code. Really important thing is that these data plans are only for data. They are not for calling. But with HoloFly, this is where you can get like unlimited data. I will show you right here. You're gonna get for 5 days $29, which is pretty expensive, but you can get the unlimited data with HoloFly, or you can get the data just with the Airalo, or if you want to, you can just get it with Maya Mobile. Really depends which the pricing you like the most. My recommendation is using Maya Mobile or Airalo. So when I'm going to write here the India eSIM, and here you're going to find even the unlimited data that you can get, and it's going to be great. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. With Airalo 2, you can use the app for your phone if you have iPhone or Android. The setup process is also simple. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's nothing difficult to figure it out, and you're going to have tutorial down below in the description too. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.